Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can run your Laravel application on top of Docker. I already assume that you know what Docker is and that's why you're watching this video. Well, normally you would go to this Docker hub, find some images like nginx, Redis, MySQL, whatever. Then you have to do some mapping for the ports and volumes, configure nginx and do some other stuff in order to get up and running. But likely for the Laravel community, there's this project, LaraDock. This project helps you run your Laravel application on top of Docker real quick. It's like Vagrant, it's like Laravel Homestead, but for Docker instead of Vagrant. Okay, I'm gonna quickly show you how we can install it, but first let me just go over the requirements. Simple Laravel application, and this Docker toolbox, Git and Composer, of course. If you don't know what Docker toolbox is, you can simply read about it here. It installs some tools that are required by Docker. If you're Windows or Mac, you can simply click this link, get the setup, next, and you get done. First, let's clone this LaraDock repository inside our Laravel project. Let me show that I have a fresh Laravel installation of the version 5.2.30. To get started, I'm gonna use git submodule add instead of git clone, just because I already have git. I'm already using git for this project, so no, copy paste, and that's it to get LaraDock installed in your project. Let's open the project in Sublime. We see that we have now a Docker folder inside our project. So that's it for the installation. Let's see how we can use it. First, we need to make sure we have a Docker virtual host running. If you don't know how to run one, you can click this link. So I'm gonna go to Docker machine ls. You can see that the default virtual host is running. To get the IP address, I can type IP. So I'm gonna copy this IP address because I know I'm gonna use it here. So I need to open my env file and set the db host to the Docker IP address. Let's go. Open the env file, search for db host, replace the default value. Nope, I don't want to purchase it. And I need to now run the containers with Docker Compose app, but first we need to make sure we are inside the Docker folder. So let's go to cd docker. You can see here are all the files, so let's just run it. And that's it. Now, what we have to do is open our browser and go to that IP address. And as you can see, Laravel is now hosted on Docker. Okay. If you want to see the running Docker containers, you can go docker ps. You will see all these containers. If you're wondering where is the Docker, where is the data, it's right there. Okay, let's make this look much better. All right, here we go. If you want to use Redis with Laravel, you can simply go to this env file again and replace the Docker host, Redis host, with this one, and you can tell it to run Redis for the cache driver and the session as well, whatever you want to use it. Okay. Of course, you will need to require this package, because if you want to run Redis in Laravel, you will need the pure Redis package. If you want to use custom domain instead of this IP address, you can use the domain. In this example, I'm showing how to run it on laravel.dev. You can, of course, change the versions. If you go to Docker Compose, you can see down the default one is 5.6, but there are other supported versions, and we're always supporting new versions and new images. So make sure you check this repository. It's really cool. And that's it for this video, I guess so. So thanks for watching.